here is how to connect your Discord account to Among Us on your phone. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Among Us application and make sure that it's updated to its latest version. You can ensure this by going to the Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Among Us, and if you see an update button over there, tap on it to update it to its latest version. Then after, select Settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll get three different options of General, Graphics, and Data. Go to the Data section, and here you'll get the icon of Discord in the left-hand side of the menu that appears. Select it. This will take you to discord.com. Enter your phone number or email address that is associated with your Discord account and its password, and then tap on Login. And once you log in, your account will be connected. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.